If you don't own a copy of Help and Manual 7.5, you can still do this course by downloading the trial version from the Help and Manual website. Please take a look at the PDF file attached to this lecture. This PDF file explains how to download and install the trial version of Help and Manual 7.5. This PDF itself was made using Help and Manual 7.5. And by the end of this course, you'll also learn how to create similar PDFs. Also, take a moment to look at the PDF and note how Help and Manual automatically creates the table of contents, the various chapters, and also the index. Both the table of contents and the index have hyperlinks linking them to the various topics and content in the PDF, all automatically created for you. Also notice how Help and Manual has aligned the left and right pages of the PDF so that it's perfect for printing too. So go ahead, take a look at the PDF file, download and install the trial version of Help and Manual if you don't own a copy of the original.